Today we have to see the Hamster Kombat, the new cryptocurrency which has been launched. Today we see the tap to earn in Hamster Kombat. Let me open. Here you can see in the left top corner you can see earn per tap. Tap it for 3 times. You can see the color changed of the hamster. Here you can see the today's daily cheaper. Here today's daily cheaper. If you correctly guessed it, you will get 1M points. Now you can see the today's daily cheaper Morse code. Firstly, I will tell what I have to do now. Follow the steps to get the Morse code and win the 1M points. Firstly, long press and release it. You will get T. Next, for next letter, we have to do 3 long press. 1, 2, wait for it. T. O. Long to get O, you have to press 3 long presses. For N, what we have to do means first tap, first long press, release and single tap. N. You have got the letter N and the total word is 10. It is also an cryptocurrency. Now take the price. You receive 1M in your balance. Here you can see the total. It is the newly launched crypto mining which is launching in few days in the crypto list. And also you can see the yesterday's daily combo, QA team, meme coins, and another one is license of Japan. I have not invited one more friend. When I invite one more friend, it will also open and this can be opened, and mine also daily combo will be completed. By completing these 3 combo cards, you will get 5M points, which is similar to 50 lakhs of Hamster coins. And also it is the new coin by the Hamster Kombat merch, where you can see the dress and caps they have created by the hamster. Here you can see the specials Hamster Kombat merch. Here also select the region and watch the merge. You can here 1M 1 lakh after 1 hour. Here also you can join and win 50,000 points after 1 hour. And newly you have got one new update by the Hamster Kombat, that is airdrop. Here you can see listing is on its way. Task will appear below. Complete them to participate in the airdrop. Here you can see two options: connect your Ton wallet, join our Telegram channel. Here you can join their Telegram channel, and here what we have to do means connect your Ton wallet. Tap it, connect your crypto wallet. If you don't have one, create one in your Telegram account, it shows. And tap on the connect your Ton wallet. You can see here some digital wallets where you can connect it, and here open link and copy link. Here it is the open wallet in Telegram. Here also you can connect wallet with Telegram, which is simplest. And if you don't want to connect with Telegram, you can copy and paste somewhere the you created wallets, or if you have any one of them, you can create here. Otherwise, open link in my network busy, open link is not working. You can, and also you can create one app called Trust Wallet, where you can add all the cryptocurrencies. I will show you how to connect it. Firstly, tap here to connect, copy the link, close the window and open for Trust Wallet. Before that, you have to connect and open the app newly and create all your wallets. Now you have to open. You can see here the features of it, and open the setting options. Here you see the connect wallet. Tap it, and right top corner you can see the plus. Here you can see it, and at the type right corner you have seen the edit options or pen like options. Tap it. Here you can paste the code which you have copied from the Hamster Kombat. Here tap on done. Wait, we will see. If it not connect, you have to open the new app for it separately, and you can connect there. I think it's not connecting. Okay, it's not a matter. Once again, open Telegram and open the Hamster Kombat. Connect your Ton. Open wallet in Telegram only. Firstly, you have to create it in it. Then you can connect it to Ton. Hamster Kombat wants to connect to Ton space. Okay, this app will be able to view your address, balance, and activity. Connect here. Connected to Ton space. Yeah, you have already connected our space. See, you can see a right symbol which represents the connected to your Ton wallet. Okay. If you are newly to this Hamster Kombat, I have mentioned my To join it and earn some crypto, newly launched crypto, and start earning Hamster Kombat coin, which is good in future days. I will paste the link in my description. You can open it and join through the link, which you can also earn some points by joining through that link. Thank you. If you have any doubts, please comment me. And also, one thing I will request you, please like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my new channel, which is created for the new cryptocurrencies which was launching, and I am trying to make daily one video on the combo cards and earn per tab. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.